Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Happy Catty Crypto here. Welcome to anybody that's new. This is going to be the first daily, well, it's the second daily news roundup for what's going on in the cryptoverse, how things are looking, what's the main things going on at the moment. So yeah, let's start off with the crypto bubbles. As you can see, it's a mixed opinion once again. This is normal for a Sunday. The markets are always quiet on a Sunday. Most things are always quiet on a Sunday everywhere. Sunday's a day of rest, folks. Like I always say to a lot of people. A lot of people are just resting up, recuperating, and getting ready to start another week. So as you can see, we've got Luna 2 down quite a considerable amount. Luna Classic over here is down 12.5% again on the day. This is all on the day, by the way, folks. AVAX, Link, HNT, and T are up. HBAR is up a little. Algo's doing okay. Solana's trying to make a recovery after I think it's had about 4 or 5 crashes now during the past week, 2 weeks. But yeah, something's got to change with Solana because it seems every time Solana's crashed recently, it's dragged the whole market down with it, which is very, very peculiar to see, as this is something Bitcoin normally does. So yeah, let's jump over to this news article from WCC FTech. Now, I don't like news articles at all, one bit whatsoever, but for the daily news roundups, I think it's pretty good. So ApeCoin is under watch as the Discord channel of the Bored Apes Yacht Club again suffers a hack. Now, folks, this is not something that's new. This is like a monthly occurrence for these folks. Where there's money, there's going to be scams, and that's the same in like everywhere in the world. There's always scammers out there waiting underneath to try and catch unaware people and victims out so they can make money off of you. So yeah, I think they've had quite a considerable amount stolen this time. So it seems because of a community manager at Boris Wagner got his account breached, which let the scammers execute their phishing attack. Over 145 was stolen. Proper permission could prevent this. Now this is from OK Hotshot. They posted quite a few interesting things, so not a bad read over there. And Ethan DG also saying about the BAYC and other side Discord hacked. Do not click the link. So yeah, this isn't something that's new to them. It's quite common, and like I said, there is scams everywhere. So let's jump over to this. Now, I live in the UK, so we have a citizens advice here, but it may be different in your country where you live. Unless you live in the UK, then obviously you know what citizens advice is. So 36 million Brits targeted by a scammer so far this year. This is an article from 14th of June 2021. Of all of those targeted by a scammer, 54% were about fake deliveries or parcels. 41% were by someone pretending to be from the government. And then 12% were by someone offering a fake investment or a get rich quick scheme. Now, folks, that just goes to show you how on a scam situation side of things that there's far more scams going on in the fiat side of the financial world and in the government sectors and the postal delivery sectors. Like I say all the time, news outlets or influencers, they just see content. All they see is they see a talking point and they see content, they see views and they see money, and this goes for like media outlets across the board. So yeah, don't listen to all of the stuff about, as you can see here, FTC says crypto scams cost consumers over 1 billion since 2021. Now folks, I can assure you that the numbers are so much higher everywhere else in every other sector for scams. I mean, it is rampant, especially here in the UK. I have no doubt it's the same in a lot of other countries. So yeah, other than that, it's a relatively quiet Sunday, which is nice, not to see anything crazy happening. No coins capitulating, no huge drops in Bitcoin's movement going down, and it's just sort of consolidating and staying relatively sideways, as you can see on the chart. So if we go over to the 30-minute chart, you can see for a while now we've just been in this range here from around, I'd say we come down into this range, we started around there and we've ended up in this range from around the 11th of May, and we're still in this range here. And as you can see, it's moving between around a 15%, maybe pushing it up to around 16% price zone. So it's just staying between that. As you can see, this is more like a consolidation period, more like a stagnation period. Just sort of doesn't know if it can go up, doesn't know if it can go down. Do I have enough investors? So yeah, always be careful of what Bitcoin's doing, folks, because it does drag the market with it, regardless of what the rest of the market's doing. It will attempt to drag the rest of the market through it. Shiba Inu. Now, I've seen a lot of the major influencers saying about a Shiba Inu hack, and I've really struggled to find any information whatsoever on this so-called hack. I don't understand. So if I do find some information on the Shiba Inu hack, I'll bring it forward to you folks. If anybody knows about information or where I can find information about this hack, then yeah, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to check it out and update you folks on that. Across the board for Luna Classic, this wallet, as you can still see, it's still just buying more than it's burning, and it's really not burning anything. As you can see, we've gone up 1 billion, and as you can see, just more stuff being bought than being burnt. And as you've seen in previous videos, starting with this wallet, it was burning a considerable amount. So yeah, moving over to the overall burn counter, you're looking at 805.34 million Luna has been burnt in total since the 21st of May. That is when we got the burn address, folks. Don't forget that. We have not even had a month pass yet, okay? So always keep that in mind. MEXC have also been burning today. Not burning today, sorry, have updated the burn system yesterday, and obviously shown us that they've done more burns. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, or you've been with us from the start, please, if you haven't, go and check out our Binance MEXC videos showing how they are linked to the top 3 burn wallets. So yeah, folks, that's pretty much all I've got for you today on the daily roundup. If there's anything you'd like me to cover, any sort of like little bits you'd like me to cover, any coins you want me to cover, just let me know in the comment section. I'm always checking the comments out, I'm always reading them, and I'm always replying as much as I possibly can. So yeah, stay safe out there, folks. Trade safe. Don't trade on emotion. Try trade on facts where possible. And yeah, it's not financial advice. Catch you in the next one. Shloop.